Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus chipset selection tipped, Snapdragon variants in multiple regions. The hype around Samsung's Galaxy S24 series is reaching its peak, and as the January 17th unveiling approaches, the focus has shifted to a crucial detail. It's about the ensuing processor that will grace these flagship devices. In the latest break, tipsters have graced the internet with core Galaxy S24 Plus specifications. Known for offering a blend of Exynos and Snapdragon chipsets based on the market region, Samsung's strategy took an interesting turn last year with the S23 lineup, where Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 alone was across the board with no Exynos chipset in sight. The S23 Fe was the lone exception, arriving in both Snapdragon and Exynos variants. As the Galaxy S24 Plus makes ready to debut, tipster Ahmed Quader drops a bombshell, hinting that the phone may rock the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset in the Middle East and numerous global markets. However, Samsung has a twist in the tail for the standard S24, which may be an exception using the Exynos 2400 chipset entirely. In the Indian market, the chipset saga will take a perplexing turn. While tipster Tarun Vats aligns with Quader, reliable tipster Ishan Agarwal introduces a contradictory note. According to Agarwal, the processor details for the S24 series remain murky, but EU regions with the model numbers are reportedly locked in for the Exynos 2400 SoC on Samsung's latest 5G model. With the anticipation reaching ever high, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is ready for a diverse chipset portfolio across borders, leaving eager consumers on the edge of their seats. Stay tuned for the grand reveal on January 17th to unravel the final chapter of the Galaxy S24 series.